CROZ is an IBM business partner company. We do professional services around system integration, custom software development, and we also do consulting services. Nowadays we live in a digital economy. Everybody needs to move towards API economy, faster time to market, greater efficiency, and this is not really possible anymore with old legacy type of systems which are monolithic and really hard to maintain. It is very difficult to connect DevOps and Agile concepts with legacy monolithic environments, and this is what this is where we see ourselves as a helping party to help our customers to move more towards digital economy and be more ready for those challenges that the digital economy is bringing nowadays. So a typical monolithic application is produced in a silo organized type of structure. We are talking about huge teams, long-running projects, and the architectures that are very complicated and span several layers of different technologies and products. As opposed to that, microservices are usually built with small cross-functional teams which are organized around business functions, really well encapsulated business functions, and those teams are in charge for putting those functionalities in production as fast as possible. So this is really where we are making difference together with DevOps concepts as opposed to those slow monolithic approaches that we used before. Every transition in an enterprise environment is a complex type of thing. We are sometimes even talking about chaotic series of events in such transitions. So we are not able to talk about using best practices, but instead we need to talk about emerging practices. What this means in reality is that we need to help our customers to create a series of pilot projects, of experiments, in which they will test their hypotheses, try out new solutions, and if they are good in isolated environments, then they need to roll them out across the entire enterprise. We feel that this approach is much safer, and it gives our customers the ability to go incrementally in terms of smaller changes to their environment, which is less risky than those traditional long transitional projects. So this is the approach that we like to use, and also enables our customers with limited budgets to go step by step and really achieve benefits as they go along the way. When we work with our customers in DevOps space, we specifically use several products from IBM's portfolio. This is mostly built around Urban Code family of products, specifically Urban Code Build, Urban Code Deploy, and of course Urban Code Release. With products from ALM family, our customers are able to achieve and implement DevOps practices of continuous requirements management, continuous testing, and collaborative development, which we feel are very important to achieve end-to-end DevOps benefits in the customer's environment. In our experience so far, we feel that introducing the tooling and the platforms is not enough to achieve end-to-end benefits within your organization. If you only do tooling and new platforms, you will achieve some benefits, for example, reducing the deployment times, having better planning of releases across your portfolio of products. But in order to achieve full end-to-end benefits of applying DevOps principles, customers usually understand that they need also to adjust the culture and the organization, because a typical siloed organization is not ready to move fast. In this space, we also need to make changes in the organizational structures to make them more organized across the value streams that the company is delivering. So my message would be that customers need to be aware of these things, and they also need to adjust the organization and the culture, as well as adopt new tools and platforms to achieve greater benefits on the full end-to-end spectrum of things that they do.